Hello everyone, just here with my new knife set, and I am really enjoying these knives. They cut, I'm not holding, but they cut right through easy. Anything fruit, anything, I mean, it just slices right through, no effort. Cuts like nothing, cuts like butter. So yeah, I highly recommend these knives. They're great looking, they're sharp. It's a great set, a great variety. The block holder's great. So probably going to order a couple of these sets for Christmas gifts. Again, they're sharp looking, durable, dishwasher safe. I'm really enjoying my knife set. Thanks.
So just bought this set to replace this set, and it feels cheap, which, you know, what do you pay for what you get? But what I did not expect, what I did not expect was to find out before I used it the crack here already. Haven't even used it once. Not one use. The reason I know this is an area to look out for is because those knives all broke that way. But this one, I hadn't even cut a tomato yet. Ridiculous.
I just got this knife block and it's the best ever. It literally has a built-in sharpener, but even before using the sharpener, the knives are super sharp. They've cut through everything that we've put them to the test on. Comes with a variety, obviously, and scissors. I love a knife block that comes with scissors. They're low-key hard to find these days. Yeah, it's chic. It looks really nice in my kitchen. I would recommend it to anyone. There she is, sitting pretty.